Hari Om to all. Let's balance our chakras. Sit in your comfortable position. Back, neck, head straight. Connect your tongue to the palate. Close your eyes. Smile on your face. Palms on your laps, facing upward. Be aware of your Mooladhara chakra, also called as root chakra, located in the base tip of the spine. Mudra, Prithvi Mudra. Join the tip of the ring finger to the tip of the thumb. Prithvi Mudra balances the earth element, Prithvi Tattva in the body. Color deep red. Imagine a bright white light with a tinge of red color in it. Whole cosmos is filled with that light and you are immersed in that light. Chant Lamkara 7 times. Take a deep breath. Lam, 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 lam. Now be aware of Swadhisthana chakra, also called as sex chakra. This chakra is located at pubic area. Mudra, Varuna Mudra. Join the tip of little finger with the tip of the thumb. This mudra balances the water element, Jala Tattva in the body. Color brilliant orange. Imagine a bright white light with a tinge of orange color in it. Whole cosmos is filled with that light and you are immersed in that light. Chant Vamkara 7 times. Take a deep breath. Vam, 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 vam. Now be aware of your Manipura chakra, also called as solar plexus. This chakra is located at the solar plexus. Mudra Agni Mudra or Surya Mudra. Join tip of the ring finger to the base of the thumb and fold the thumb on the ring finger. This mudra balances the fire element, Agni Tattva in the body. Color yellow. Imagine a bright white light with a tinge of yellow color in it. Whole cosmos is filled with that light and you are immersed in that light. We will chant Ramkara 7 times. Take a deep breath. Ram, 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 ram. Now, fourth chakra, be aware of your Anahata chakra, also called as heart chakra. This chakra is located around the heart, mudra, apana vayu mudra. Join tips of the middle finger, ring finger and thumb, and place the index finger to the base of the thumb. This mudra is also called as Sanjeevani mudra. This mudra balances the air element, Vayu Tattva, in the body. Color green. Imagine a bright white light with a tinge of green color in it. Whole cosmos is filled with that light and you are immersed in that light. Chant Yamkara 7 times. Take a deep breath. Yam, 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 yam. Now, be aware of Vishuddha chakra, also called as throat chakra. This chakra is located around the throat. Mudra, Akasha mudra. Join tip of middle finger with the tip of the thumb. This mudra balances space, ether element, Akasha Tattva in the body. Color bright blue. Imagine a bright white color with a tinge of blue color in it. Whole cosmos is filled with that light and you are immersed in that light. We will chant Hamkara 7 times. Take a deep breath. Hum, 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 hum. Sixth chakra, Agna chakra, also called as third eye chakra. This chakra is located between the two eyes. Mudra, Prana mudra. Join the tips of little finger, ring finger and the thumb. This mudra balances the Guru Tattva. This mudra represents our region of mind, intellect and ego. Color indigo. Imagine a bright white light with a tinge of indigo color in it. Whole cosmos is filled with that light and you are immersed in that light. We will chant Omkara 7 times. Take a deep breath. Om, 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 Om. Seventh chakra, Sahasrara Chakra, also called as Crown Chakra. This is located at the top of the head. Mudra Gnana Mudra. Join the tip of the index finger with the tip of the thumb. This mudra connects us to the divine. This mudra develops the divine qualities in us. Color violet. Imagine a bright white light with a tinge of violet color in it. Whole cosmos is filled with that light and we are immersed in that light. We will chant Soham 7 times. Take a deep breath. Soham, 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 Soham. Let go. We'll chant one Omkara. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Be aware of Sahasrara. I, the soul, am an embodiment of blissfulness. Visualize whole endocrine system is working perfectly. Affirmation. I am part of divine. I honor the divine within me. I cherish my spirit. I am open to letting go of my attachments. Gratitude. Thank you, universe, for I am grateful for all the goodness in my life. I am filled with greatness. Be aware of Ajna Chakra. I, the soul, am an embodiment of knowledge. Visualize our neuron system is working perfectly. Affirmation. I am in tune with my inner guidance. I am wise, connected to my inner wisdom. Gratitude. Thank you, universe, for each day. With the help of my inner guidance, I am learning and growing. Be aware of your Vishuddha Chakra. I, the soul, am an embodiment of peace. Visualize our ENT system is working perfectly. Affirmation: I am open, clear, and honest in my communication. I speak truth bravely. I express myself creatively through my speech. Gratitude. Thank you, universe, for I nourish my spirit through creativity. I communicate my feelings with ease. Fourth chakra, be aware of Anahata chakra, also called as heart chakra. This chakra is located around the heart. I, the soul, am an embodiment of love. Visualize our heart system is working perfectly. Affirmation: all love resides within my heart. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I give and receive love easily. Gratitude. Thank you, universe, for I love everything in this universe, and everything in this universe loves me. Be aware of Manipura chakra. I, the soul, am an embodiment of purity. Visualize our digestive system is working perfectly. Affirmation: I digest every flavor of my life with ease. I am strong. I am courageous. I am authentic. Gratitude. Thank you, universe, for I feel my own power and I am at peace with myself. Be aware of Swadhisthana chakra. I, the soul, am an embodiment of happiness. Visualize our blood circulation and reproductive systems are working perfectly. Affirmation: I love and accept my sexuality and sensuality. I love and enjoy my body. My sexuality is sacred. I value and respect my body. Gratitude. Thank you, universe, for I allow myself to experience pleasures of my life. Be aware of Mooladhara chakra. I, the soul, am an embodiment of power. Visualize our muscular system and skeletal system are working perfectly. Gratitude. Affirmation: I am deeply rooted, grounded, integrated, and well connected. I share harmonious relationships with my roots and siblings. I am safe in my stable world. Gratitude. Thank you, universe. I feel stable and secured. Let go. We'll chant Omkaras. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Om. take a deep breath. Be aware of your whole body. Be aware of your all the chakras. All the chakras are balanced, energized, and activated. Gently rub your palms. Generate the heat. Transfer that heat to your eyes. Bring your palms in front of the chest. Open your palms. With a big smile and confidence, gently open your eyes with a few blinks and look at your palms. Hari Om to all. Thank you, universe. Thank you all.